What he did? That nigga went on the fucking shoulder. That nigga's wild. Fuck it.
That's the shit I would do.
That nigga's fucked. That nigga
Yo, he took that shit serious.
Yeah.
Yo, nigga say, nigga, we in the street.
What's going on, guys? Made it over here to Woodbridge on our way to CLM Motorsports to get the car dyno tuned. We just stopped over here to guess at least $5 of gas because I was running it dry, like totally dry on E. Yeah, I'm not sure if I fully explained on the last video what I've done so far on the exhaust manifold. So I completely replaced all the gaskets, all the exhaust manifold studs, bolts, just to make sure there wasn't any exhaust leak. So the way we could get full power. So there it is. I replaced all the studs, even changed the gaskets on the exhaust manifold, changed the gaskets on the T3 flange, and I made sure everything was bolted up and there was no leaks. So hopefully we should put down some good power today. And yeah, just wanted to check in. See you guys over there.
Dile a tus padres que yo soy tuyo nada más. Como yo te cuido, nadie te va a cuidar. Que soy tu morenito de WhatsApp. Y no soy el mismo si tú no estás.
Now let's just hope and pray this shit doesn't fucking blow. Alright guys, so we made it over here to CLM Motorsports. We got the car on the dyno. Just waiting for Punya to get the boost control solenoid installed. And he's also going to set it up for boost by gear, so it should be a good one. Let's say racing fuel 98. Just gonna fill her up. That's it. Just filled her up with 98. Now let's see how much she's gonna put down. Alright guys, so we just filled her up with some 98 octane 98 race fuel, and first pull made like 346 on race fuel. Second pull was 349. Now we're just gonna keep going until we hit 400. Clutch? that's where the clutch started to give out.
I'm guessing.
Around 18 pounds. Set at 16. Have to build the other block, get a new turbo set, hit 900 or 800. 400, 419, not bad. Completely stock long block.
There you guys have it. Just made 419 on 70% alcohol. Was it 16 pounds of boost? You got the boost by gear set up, but unfortunately, we tried to turn it up some more. I'll say around, I think he had it at 18 pounds, and then it was either the clutch or the tires were starting to give out, so we turned it back down to 16 pounds of boost, made 419, pulled it off the dyno as is, and now I'm just gonna have fun with her.
Vamos a dar una vuelta sin que se entere, mami.